I'm Beatrix, and today I would like to share part 3 of Study Abroad session. Here we go! Are you excited? Yay! First, researching the country's custom and culture. Be curious about the place you are planning to go to. You should learn all of customs and culture of your destination. Get in the habit of reading news from the country, the one that you are planning to go to, so you know the situation there. Next, try to apply to the target campus. Applying could be hard because you need to fill out a bunch of the forms, but it will be easy when you have strong intention to study in that place. Believe me, do your best. Prepare all necessary documents including your personal statement, transcript, resume, etc. I will talk more about how to create strong personal statement in the future video, so stay tuned. Did you get accepted? Congrats! It's time to prepare all documents that you need, including passport. If you already have one, be sure to double check that it's not expired. And for you, the one that want to go to the US, the passport shouldn't expire within 6 months of your departure to the US. Then, visa, of course. I-20 for international students that are intending to enter US college, and then copy of bank statement. So the price varies depending on the country that you are going to. Then scholarship documents if you are applying for scholarship program from government. Then start packing. Pack all of necessary clothes, medicine, and some snacks. Remember, don't bring too much stuff that are unnecessary, because you only have like certain limit amount of the way to bring to the plane. Of course, don't forget all of your documents. I would suggest bringing more medicines since it would be a little bit expensive to buy medicine here, abroad. Or you cannot get the medicine unless you have the prescription from local doctor. Then of course all essential toiletries including body wash, shampoo, conditioner. You can find all the packing list in description below. Then prepare money. You should have extra cash in your pocket, especially when you have no debit card when you arrive at your destination. Also, it is better to bring debit card from your home country that has cash. So in case you run out of money, you can withdraw the money from any ATMs abroad. But remember, every ATM has additional fee. I think it is around $5 until $7. I would also suggest making one bank account when you arrive here. To make bank account, you need to bring your ID, which is passport, and if you live in the US, bring your I-20 as well, and of course some cash. Next, make sure to check your health. It is better to do the checkup before you prepare to go abroad. It is important because when you get here, you want to have time to go see doctor. I will highly recommend you to do so. Additionally, the healthcare fee is more expensive, even if you already have insurance covered by your college. Next, learn the place that you plan to stay. There are many options that you can take. You can live in dorm. Dormitories provide you a different experience because you will meet students from different countries or even local people, so you can practice your language with them. On top of that, there are certain activities that they hold weekly or monthly. Remember, every dorm has curfew rule, like what time you should be back to dorm, I remember one of my friends said that they have to be at dorm latest at 10 p.m. When living in a dorm, you will also be paired with at least one other university student. The perk is, of course, dorm is closer to campus, so you can walk to the campus or take a bus in front of the dorm, maybe. The price of the dorm range from $700 to $1,000, depending on the city that you live. It can get higher if you live in big city, or maybe if your university is located in big city. And then next is homestay. Students can experience an intimate experience with the host country's culture, food, and language. Homestay can sometimes provide you meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Last one is apartment. Students must gain the independence and responsibility of living their own. If you prefer to live freely, apartment can be an option. One tip: you can ask other friends to live together with you in one apartment, so you can divide the rental fee with them. Then the last one is, of course, to prepare your mental. This is the most important thing. You will face the difference from time zone, people to culture. So embrace that and expect something unexpected happen in your life. And enjoy the journey. Best of luck! And that's it for my study abroad series, at least for now. Probably we'll have more in the future with the different concepts. What would you like to learn more from my experience of studying abroad? Feel free to put in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you!